Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to show you how to create an edit profile screen using the Ionic Design Kit. Let's see how it makes building this feature fast and straightforward. On the left side of your screen, you'll see code snippets from the official Ionic documentation. In the center, we're showcasing the layout crafted with the Ionic Design Kit. And on the right, a phone emulator shows the real-time results of our code. Feel free to pause the video whenever you need to catch any details. In this guide, we'll walk through the steps to set up a user-friendly edit profile screen using the Ionic Design Kit. First, a quick overview of the Ionic Design Kit. Built on the Ionic framework, this kit is packed with pre-made components that make designing and developing screens much easier. Designers can grab elements without building them from scratch, and developers get components that integrate directly with Ionic. No complex coding needed. This approach speeds up the entire process, making collaboration between designers and developers a breeze. Now, let's talk about why the edit profile screen matters. This screen is crucial for user experience, giving people a simple, organized way to manage their profiles. With a clean layout and easy-to-use options, the edit profile screen helps users make updates to their account details smoothly and efficiently. You can find all the code snippets and instructions on our website. Find a link below. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stick around for more guides in our series. Happy coding, and we'll see you in the next video.